This week, the gold has lost its value starting the week from this area of resistance, where the price on a Monday has returned to this area of resistance, then returning back down, making decision candle. Then the price continued to lose its value, reaching the support level to 3314.79, and from here the price could not manage to go further down. Then the price formed a strong bullish candle that has come very close to this area of resistance, to this supply zone, making us retrace back down. On a Thursday we can see that where the price formed this bearish candle, but then on a Friday the price has returned back up, continuing to rise in value and reaching higher price levels, making a bullish breakout above 3355.61. We can see in the previous week analysis I have mentioned that I am expecting that the price will reach lower levels, this area of support, and it was a successful analysis. Also, please check the daily analysis I am making, where I'm sharing the details, and you will see that all of these analysis has been successful and also a good prediction. For now, we can see the week has closed as a bullish candle. Here it is visible because of this bullish breakout on a Friday. We can see currently that the price is fighting between the buyers and the sellers. The sellers are waiting here around 3400, and we can see the buyers are waiting around 3300. And they are not allowing the price to go in any of the directions above or below. So the price is in between this area of support and the resistance. Monthly time frame shows me a bullish candle. It is a bullish candle. If it closes like this in the next week, it will be a bullish breakout around this area of indecision. We can see that for the 3 months the price has been formed indecision candles, and if it stays like this, this will be a bullish breakout outside of this range area where the price could not manage to go out. So it's very important to see 3435.49. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance on the monthly time frame? So the next week it's very important. Weekly time frame currently shows me a decision between the buyers and the sellers, so it's not very clear where the price could go. But the daily, it is showing that 3398.97 is the next resistance where the price is targeting. It's very important to see how the Monday opens. Will the Monday open with a gap? Will the Monday close below this area of support? If it closes below this area of support, it will be invalidation of this bullish breakout, indicating further decline in value. But if the Monday closes above this area of support, it will indicate further rise in value. If the gap opens, if the price opens with a gap targeting the lower levels, it will be also very important to see how the price will behave around this area of support. So it's very important to see how the Monday opens, where the price will go, and how the price will close. And that is very important to see how the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame shows where the price is heading. So these are the time frames that I'm sharing with the traders inside the premium analysis each day during the week, and sending them informations when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts, and also what are the targets. For now, I am more inclined to see the price reaching higher price levels, where the next target is 3398. So this is the target for the next week, at least what I can see from the charts. From there, where the price will go, that's something that we need to watch closely and wait for the price to make a bullish breakout or a retrace back down. So the link for the premium analysis will be below in the description. Feel free to join other traders to receive these updates. That is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.